Hi, my name is Patrick Grant. I am the owner and director of a series of businesses in the clothing industry. I also do a little bit of telly from time to time. I am a huge believer in the power of businesses to create positive social change. I am part of a wave of social entrepreneurs that are believers in business as a force for good. Good for consumers, good for employees, and particularly good for the local communities in which these businesses are based. I am delighted to be coming to Unlocking Potential's event in Cornwall, and I'm hoping that by telling a little bit about my story, I might inspire one or two of you to come up with business ideas of your own. I know I'm going to learn a lot myself, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you then.